Welcome to Sagada, Joan of Art here, and let's explore Sagada. It's already busy today. We're going to have a cat poop coffee challenge. We have been looking for that coffee all over Baguio. Where is it? Look how those vans are speeding. This is where Bana's Cafe is. So we have been looking for this coffee all over the place. And this is the source of that exotic coffee, and we're having that right now.
It's too expensive that I can take a picture.
Yes. The place smells good already. I can smell the food. This is it. Ken? I want to capture this on video. And your first sip? Okay.
I don't know if I'll be able to properly taste it yet. I think it needs to cool a bit more.
And how about the aroma? Does it smell like poop?
It doesn't smell like poop. It doesn't smell like regular coffee either. Not quite sure. So, here is the ketchup coffee debut. It tastes like strong coffee. Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good. We'll go with that.
All right.
Okay. That's the
No poop taste?
I don't know. I haven't tasted poop before.
So now you have it.
Yeah, but if I imagine what poop would taste like, I think that it would not taste like that. So I think it's good. So we'll go with that.
Hey, this is a basketball court, and here's a basketball team of grazing cows. Yee! Hey, cow. Hello, cow. Happily we are now following this trail to Echo Valley and the regular cemetery, and of course the hanging coffins of Sagada. More tourists here than I was here 8 years ago. A lot quiet. It was quieter back then. But now there are a lot of vehicles here. It's full. So it wasn't like before when we could just come up here and go to Echo Valley and to the hanging coffins. Now the policy is strictly you have to register, get a guide, or else you can't enter. So we have to go back there, the tourism office, register, pay the guide, and pay our entrance fees. So we're going back to get a guide. No guide, no entry. So that's a new policy because 8 years ago it wasn't like that. So we just trek out there. But now it's a must. So you have to register here. And these are the interesting sites to see. It's an old building. There's the antique post office, but they also have an ATM machine right in here. This is Joan of Art, and see you in the next video for our adventure at the hanging coffins of Sagada. Bye for now.